Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. If you guys keep liking these updates on DogeCoin and like my content or seeing this on TikTok, definitely give me a super like by tapping on the screen like 10 times. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, like the video and stuff. But we actually just broke that 6 cent mark. If you guys can see right here, it looks like we are going to be breaking it. I mean, it already broke it, but we're basically doing it like a real time. There we go. We're basically doing like a real time live feed of Doggy right now. I am up $25,000 as of right now. A lot of people have been asking me when I'm going to be taking profit. I'm not going to be taking profit. This is either a big win or a loss for me. Like, I didn't take profit last time when it hit 8 cents. I'm not going to take profit now. This is one of those plays where I'm just put a bunch of money into it. I'm not going to look at it for a very long time. I'll constantly update you guys on TA for DogeCoin, as well as any other crypto that you guys might want to hear about. See right there, you guys can see that there's a bunch of profit taking, or a lot of people that have their sell limit set at 6 cents. That's why you guys saw that drop off right there. It's so easy to tell when there's profit taking. Exactly right there. People actually have their sell limit set for there, and it's being. This is why you probably shouldn't sell. And a lot of people are like, "Oh, you should take profits." I'm like, no. I mean, this 25K. I mean, it's not. I don't want to say it's a lot of money to me, because I don't want to sound, like I don't want to sound like a bad person, right? But it's if I don't end up making this 25K profit, it's not like I absolutely need it, right? Like, I can definitely let this ride out. I can take it out when I want to. I don't have to take it out at all. But for those asking, yeah, 25K, it's not life-changing money for me. It'll definitely help out in a lot of places. But I'm not gonna take any profit. Like, I'm not taking any profit. I didn't take any profit last time when we hit the 8 cent mark. I'm not taking any profit now. I'm not trying to stress over how much DogeCoin is worth day by day. I just put a bunch of money into it, just letting it ride forever, basically. If this ever hits a certain price point that I want it to hit, then I'll definitely start taking profit there. But until DogeCoin actually hits maybe like 50 cents or like $1, there's no reason for me to take profit, right? Like, it just doesn't make any sense. The potential for it to keep rising up is too much. And as far as right now, there's no way for, there's no reason for me to take profit. There's no reason really for anybody to take profit. Like, why would you want to take profit right now? It's barely at 6 cents. Like, we're gonna break that 8 cent mark, more than likely 10 cents, 11 cents. And then after that, I do think the next barrier is going to be 20 cents. And then after that, it's going to be 50. After the 50 cent mark, I do not think there's going to be a barrier between 50 cents and $1. I do think that after that 50 cent mark, there's a huge chance that we'll see $1. And you need to forget about all this valuation stuff, right? Like, valuations don't fucking matter anymore. It's 2021, dude. Like, valuations don't matter. The only thing that matters is how much something actually has a value that the people give it, right? It's like Bitcoin. The only reason Bitcoin is where it's at is because people give Bitcoin that value. Institutions give Bitcoin that value. Companies give Bitcoin that value. And that's the thing. Like, the only reason I'm holding is because, as everybody knows, DogeCoin is like everybody's favorite cryptocurrency. Like, it's not Bitcoin, it's not Ethereum, it's not XRP, it's not Stellar, it's not Polkadot, it's not Bitcoin Cash, it's DogeCoin. Everybody knows that DogeCoin is everybody's favorite Bitcoin. It might be everybody thinks that it's like some low tier cryptocurrency. It's not, dude. Like, it's really not. Like, look, I mean, this I'm just saying it's fool's insurance, right? Like, you don't want to not invest like a couple $100 into this, and then a year or two later, this thing shoots up to $10, right? And then you're kicking yourself in the head. It doesn't make sense. It's the same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was fool's insurance 10 years ago. Like, nobody thought Bitcoin was going to be at where it's at right now. And the thing is, DogeCoin doesn't have to, you don't have to wait 10 years for Doggy to actually hit a certain price point. Back then, Bitcoin took 10 years to surge like that. In today's time, with all the people like flooding into certain things or whatever, like those breakout price points don't take that long to hit anymore. Like, we can see if there's enough people buying into DogeCoin. We already have Gene Simmons, you got Elon Musk. It really only takes a couple people to really start, showcasing like DogeCoin or being supportive of it, right? Like, if Coinbase comes out and they're like, hey, you know what? We're gonna start letting everybody buy, DogeCoin. This thing's gonna fucking moon to $1 or like 50 cents easily, and it's gonna keep going up. And if Elon Musk says, hey, I'm gonna start letting you guys buy Teslas with DogeCoin, like, are you kidding me? Like, the only two cryptocurrencies that I see Elon Musk actually accepting are Bitcoin and DogeCoin. Why would he accept anything else? There's no indication that he would ever accept anything else apart from these two cryptocurrencies, right? And he even said that in Mars, when he gets there, more than likely, for sure, there's going to be a cryptocurrency that's going to be the world currency of Mars. I'm not saying it's going to be DogeCoin or Bitcoin, but it's definitely going to live off of crypto. I'm just saying, right? Like it's better to have a certain amount. It's better to have a very clear indication of where you think something is going instead of asking yourself what if a couple years down the line.